you ever experienced moments where it feels like the universe is sending you a signal? Where events align so perfectly that you can't help but wonder if it's just coincidence or if there's a deeper force at play? Psychologist Carl Jung defines synchronicity as the simultaneous occurrence of two or more events that are meaningfully related, but not causally connected. Imagine thinking about an old friend you haven't contacted for a long time, and shortly after, you receive a message from them. Is this just coincidence, or is there something more profound happening? Let's explore a real story to understand this better. In 1898, Morgan Robertson wrote a novel titled Futility about a ship called Titan, being Benson, which collided with an iceberg and sank in the ocean. Strangely, 14 years later, the Titanic met the same fate. The names and details are strikingly similar. Was this merely coincidence, or could it be some form of synchronicity we have yet to comprehend? From a psychological perspective, synchronicity can make us feel that everything in the universe is interconnected. When people recognize these coincidental events, they often feel that life is more meaning, finding comfort in the belief that some unseen force is guiding them. Socially, stories of synchronicity create a sense of connection, allowing people to share their experiences and realize they are not alone in these strange, yet profound moments. Scientifically, many would argue that these coincidental events are purely random. According to probability theory, as the number of events in our lives increases, the chances of strange coincidences also increase. However, Eastern philosophies such as Buddhism and Taoism interpret these occurrences as signs that everything is deeply interconnected. They believe it might be the universe's way of guiding us in the right direction, opening doors to opportunities we never considered. A practical example is the story of Louis Pasteur. He always believed that chance favors only the prepared mind. One day, while researching anthrax, he accidentally discovered that chickens injected with wicked bacteria became immune, leading to the development of the first vaccine. Was this merely a stroke of luck, or was the universe offering him an opportunity when he was ready? So, what can we learn from all this? Perhaps the message is that we need to be more alert to receiving the signs the universe sends us. Sometimes what seems like mere coincidence could be a sign that we are on the right path. To do this, we need to cultivate awareness and sensitivity, always paying attention to what happens around us and finding meaning in seemingly trivial events.